Welcome to this exclusive note. I'm literally so thrilled you're joining me today because, well, we're about to embark on something pretty special. You can think of this session as your own personal mentorship masterclass. We're talking a Google-tier blueprint for building a highly profitable AI service business. We're going to take you from a curious observer right to a future-ready practitioner in the digital economy. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's actually start building your future.
All right, let's dive right in by addressing the absolute biggest elephant in the room. It's the main mental barrier keeping so many smart, capable people out of the AI space. You look at all the incredible stuff artificial intelligence is doing right now, and you probably ask yourself, wait, do I need to be a machine learning engineer or some kind of coding genius to actually sell AI services and make real money? The answer to that is a massive, resounding no. Seriously? Absolutely not. You just need to solve business problems. Think about it like this, right? You don't need to know how to build a combustion engine from scratch just to run a highly profitable taxi service. You just need to know how to drive the car to get someone from point A to point B. In the AI economy, the tools are already built for us. Your job is just to drive those tools to deliver massive value to your clients.
So here's our roadmap for this note. We'll cover the AI service opportunity, highly profitable AI services, skills and niches, landing your first clients, pricing your AI services, and finally, scaling into the future. Let's get to it.
Starting with Section 1, the AI service opportunity and exactly why businesses are paying for AI.
Look, there is a massive gap right now between businesses knowing AI is important and actually knowing how to implement it. Just look at what companies are truly struggling with every single day. They're drowning in time-consuming manual tasks, they're terrified of rising operating costs, and they're totally overwhelmed by endless content production demands, customer support bottlenecks, and, honestly, severe marketing inefficiencies. You see, you aren't actually selling AI. You're selling the elegant solution to these exact universal struggles.
I really want you to let this quote sink in for a second. Rather than selling software itself, you sell your expertise in applying AI to real-world situations. Your value isn't the raw tech. The AI is literally just the tool. Your true value is being the bridge between that complex technology and a tangible, measurable business result. The minute you position yourself as a problem solver rather than a software peddler, your worth completely skyrockets. Moving right along to Section 2, highly profitable AI services, what you can actually sell.
Okay, consider this your menu of high-demand services. And don't worry, in a few minutes I'm going to show you exactly how to price these. Let's look at content and marketing services first. Every company needs blogs, newsletters, and sales pages, right? By leveraging AI content creation and AI copywriting, you can accelerate that process immensely while optimizing their sales pipelines. Add an AI marketing strategy to enhance their SEO and use presentation creation to upgrade their sales pitches, you're basically combining your foundational marketing sense with AI speed to create undeniable, measurable business value. It's a total game changer.
Now let's talk about operations and consulting. This stuff is incredibly lucrative because, well, saving a business time translates directly into saving them cold hard cash. You could offer chatbot setup to automate their customer support 24/7, or you could build workflow automations to eliminate hours of tedious data entry. You know, the mind-numbing stuff nobody actually wants to do anyway. You could even offer AI research and training workshops to get their staff up to speed. When you embed yourself into a company's daily operations like this, you're creating long-term, high-paying client relationships.
Let's make this super tangible. This right here perfectly illustrates what workflow automation actually looks like in practice. Imagine this. A new customer lead comes in through a client's website. Instantly, the AI reads the specific inquiry and automatically drafts this highly customized, super warm email response. And simultaneously, the company's CRM updates with all the lead's details, totally seamlessly with zero human effort. You build this simple three-step system for them once, and it literally saves your client hundreds of hours a year.
Here's the catch. The difference really is in the execution. The biggest mistake beginners make is acting like an amateur. They just copy-paste generic, raw AI output and hand it straight to the client. Please don't do that. A true professional delivers human-edited, brand-consistent, highly polished solutions. Never forget this. The AI does the heavy lifting, sure, but your human touch, your curation, your quality control, that's the actual premium product the client is paying for.
All right, on to Section 3, skills, niches, and portfolios, how you're going to stand out in the market.
Here's a golden rule. If you try to be everything to everyone, you end up appealing to no one. Instead, take a look at these incredibly profitable niches that are practically begging for AI transformation right now. Real estate agents desperately need property descriptions. Legal services need document summaries. E-commerce needs product copy. You get the idea. My best advice? Pick one industry you already understand or at least have a genuine interest in. Because when you can speak the specific language of a real estate broker or a local restaurant owner, you can create these highly tailored solutions that make you the undisputed go-to expert in their field.
And to actually succeed in those niches, your foundational skills are everything. Yes, obviously you need to know how to prompt an AI, but look at this list here. Strong communication, writing, project management, SEO, business strategy. Honestly, these human skills are actually way more important than knowing how to use every single new AI tool that drops on Twitter. AI platforms are going to change constantly, but your ability to manage a project and communicate strategically, that is never going to go out of style.
Next up, Section 4, landing your first clients, where to actually find the demand.
So, you've got the skills, you've picked a niche, now you just need the clients. And don't be intimidated by this. Start right in your own backyard. We're talking local businesses in your town, entrepreneur networks, even friends and family who run small companies. Reach out to your professional contacts or get active in online communities. And here's a pro tip. The best way to pitch them isn't with some flashy resume. It's by showing them a sample project. Build a quick AI chatbot for their website, or take an old blog post of theirs and show them exactly how you used AI to rewrite and optimize it. Show, don't just tell. It works like magic.
That brings us to Section 5, pricing your AI services. It's time to monetize your knowledge.
Okay, this is the module everyone always waits for. Here is your exact pricing framework to turn all this expertise into a reliable, scalable income stream. You might start out with hourly pricing for brief consulting gigs, but you're going to want to move pretty quickly to project-based pricing for clear deliverables, like, say, setting up a chatbot. Then, to really stabilize your income, transition to monthly retainers for ongoing content or workflow management. But the holy grail? Value-based pricing. This is where you actually charge a percentage of the ROI you deliver. If your AI automation saves a business $50,000 a year, charging them $10,000 for it is an absolute bargain for them and a massive win for you.
But hey, a quick word of caution as you start monetizing. A massive beginner mistake is overpromising. Do not sell AI as this flawless magic wand while totally ignoring actual client goals. The true industry standard and the way you build a truly premium reputation is by communicating clearly, hitting your deadlines, protecting client confidentiality, and being incredibly honest about what AI cannot do. Managing expectations is literally the secret sauce to a scalable, long-lasting business.
Finally, Section 6. Scaling into the future and growing beyond just freelancing.
Once you have a steady stream of clients and your pricing is dialed in, you really need to pivot your mindset from just having a job to building an enterprise. As your operations grow, your roadmap for scaling expands beautifully. You can start hiring assistants to handle the foundational AI prompting, while you focus on the higher-level client strategy. You can diversify your revenue by creating digital products, launching online courses, or even building out a full-service AI agency. You could even lock in passive income by offering ongoing maintenance and support plans for the systems you've already built. The sky is really the limit here.
And looking ahead, the future is absolutely packed with opportunity. We are rapidly moving toward advanced automation flows, hyper-personalized AI assistance, and strict needs for AI governance and compliance. The businesses of tomorrow are going to desperately need experts who can navigate these human-AI collaboration models safely and effectively. By mastering the fundamentals right now, you are perfectly positioning yourself to remain in massive, unstoppable demand for years to come.
I want to anchor our entire masterclass today with this final thought. Your greatest value is not the AI software itself. It is your ability to understand a client's goals, choose the right tools, apply them responsibly, and deliver measurable results. The software is going to evolve. Algorithms will change. But a practitioner who genuinely understands how to drive business growth, that is irreplaceable.
So I'm going to leave you with this one. Simple question. What business problem will you solve today? The knowledge is yours. The tools are waiting, and the market is incredibly hungry for exactly what you can provide. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action, start building, and go thrive in the digital economy. Thank you so much for joining me for this note, and I seriously cannot wait to see what you create.